How to download Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Steam. Open up your Steam and make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you do that, head over to the search bar and search for Need for Speed. After you search for Need for Speed, you'll find Need for Speed Most Wanted. So right here, this is the one that we want. So open that up. After you open it up, if you scroll down, you'll see the option to add it to cart. So there you can add it to the cart. As you can see, it's almost $20. You can add this to cart, and after you add this to cart, you can head over to your cart and continue with your payment. Tap on continue with payment and head over to the payment section and pay for the app, and you will be able to download this game. And that's basically it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.